3 AM, Yorkshire, coffee. 3:35, Leeds station. 5 o'clock, on a train. Gonna try and sleep 2 hours now. 7:35, dirty London. Austin, London, Victoria-ish. Don't know where the station is. God, I had to run for that. So London, Victoria to East Grinstead. Here we are. We've had a little drive. Exhaust drags a bit because there's no ground clearance, especially with my fat arse in. And we'll chance a little 250-mile drive now and see what happens. Right, here we go. 250 miles from home. Let's see if this old dear will do it. I've just put about 30-something litres of petrol in, and I have every confidence in going somewhere. Here we go, listen to that. It's a noisy bugger, isn't it? And I think I'm in wrong lane. It's a good start. Cobham Services, 27 miles in, I think, 223 miles to go. He's cut out on me a couple of times, that were worrying, but only after I've backed off speed a bit and been driving. So yeah, hopefully he doesn't do that again. I've just stopped, checked radiator and stuff. That's not leaking. Seems really well. Too low. There's only about an inch of suspension travel, which is already pissing me off. So we'll fix that. But yeah, other than that, shitbox is working. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. We've come a cropper. Need to tie that up a bit. I've all on to get any access under there, it's that low. I'm not sure loading pickup trucks is a good idea. We have a solution. So you can see what's happened with that now. It was only held on with a hook on a rubber at the back and 2 bolts here. One of which we kept. The other one's vanished. That's why it's been hanging down. But I've got to be honest, that was a shit exhaust anyway, so we shall have a fresh. But it's going to sound fruity, aren't we all? Right, ready to be deafened. Oh, that's not me. About 100 and God knows how many miles with it sounding like that. It is what it is. Drag strip noise. Jesus Christ. I better tickle throttle. See how it goes. Wipers work because it's lashing it down. Headlights work. It's loud. It's really loud. You see the exhaust impact. It's there. If only God had made it home. Huh? 250 miles. That's the only failure, shall we say. It's idling a bit rough now because there's no back pressure, but you know, 250 miles, if that's worse that it's happened, then I'm happy with that. So yeah, wide shot, walking to my other car, well done. My back's bloody killing me. So I'm suited with that. Beast. Now what to do with it? Answers on a postcard.